In this video we are going to see how to create the vendor payment against the bill first. Navigate to Payments Outgoing and click on New. Begin by selecting the organization, then choose the supplier from the lookup. Once selected, click Next. Now, enter the payment details. Please note that the highlighted fields are mandatory, while the remaining fields are optional. Carefully enter all the required information and review the details to ensure accuracy. After verification, click on Create. The payment is now created successfully. Verify all the payment details displayed on the screen. Next, proceed to update the payment header. Enter the required information and submit the changes. Once submitted, then again navigate to the overview. Update the payment status by clicking on Send. You will notice that the payment status has been updated successfully. At the bottom of the screen, you can also see that the transaction has been posted. Now, let's apply the payment to the bill. Navigate to the Application section, where the bill details are displayed. Verify the bill, then enter the amount you want to apply along with the transaction date. Click on Apply. After applying the payment, click on Overview. You can see that the transaction has been reflected successfully. Finally, change the payment status to Confirmed. With this step completed, the vendor payment process is successfully finished. Thank you for watching.